Today we are bringing you 2 new ways to play Twister. For this version, we like to call it reverse Twister because everybody's going to start with both hands and both feet on the board wherever they choose, and then we're going to spin the board, and as it's spun, you get to remove that hand or foot from the board. Whoever's the last person with a hand or foot on the board is the winner. You ready?
Yeah. Left hand red. Left foot blue. Left foot blue. Woo!
Right hand yellow. Lift up your right hand, Grant.
Right hand red.
Right hand red.
Right foot blue.
Okay, step off with your right foot. Hey.
Left hand red.
Left hand green. Hey, Grant, you get yours off. Grant's done.
Wait, I have my
Right hand red. Left, right foot blue. Only your left foot off.
this.
Yep. Or turn your body. Oh, you're off. Nice.
Right foot red.
I'm off.
Right hand blue.
Oh, so that means you guys are both the winner because you both have the exact same one left. For this twist on Twister, we're going to trace either our right hand, right foot, or left foot, just one per person. And you're going to choose a side that you want to start on, red or green. Then as we spin the board, whatever time it's called, so if you have a right hand traced, then you get to move to this spot if it's right hand yellow, right hand blue, right hand red. The first person to cross the board is the winner. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome, we're going to start by tracing our hand or foot that we want, cutting it out, and getting it ready to place on the board. We now have our feet and hands traced out.
Right hand turkey.
Right hand turkey.
Right hand there.
So I'm going to start on green, he's going to start red. Do you want to spin first for us?
I'm already in.
He's spinning. How about you spin this one? We'll see who makes it first.
Blue. Right.
Right hand blue! Oh my goodness! First one! He's out of the chute! Good job! That was barely on. I don't know if you can see that. It was like right on the edge, but you barely got it. Good job, Turkey Man. Left foot green. That's what I'm already on. There was hope! Right hand yellow! One more and you win, and I haven't even left the chute. That is one happy turkey. No right hand green, no right hand green. Whew, that was close. Left foot yellow, left foot yellow. Oh, right hand red. Left foot green again. So close to left foot yellow. Right hand green.
Turkey, turkey, turkey.
I didn't even leave the first one. Cameron totally is the winner on that one. Good job, Cam. High five. Turkey high five.
Turkey.
Turkey high five. If you enjoyed this video, what should they do?
Give us a big
Thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Right hand, blue, right hand. High five. Oh yeah.